StableView TECH18 conference. I'm here with David MacMillan, CEO of Deveron. David, thank you for joining us.
Thanks so much for having me.
So we've met you before, but do give our viewers who perhaps didn't see our last interview an insight into Deveron and the drone data technology.
Absolutely. So Deveron is a drone data agricultural technology company. We're focused on using drones, geospatial data, and information that's created on the farm to help growers make more important decisions, more cost-effective decisions that ultimately help them increase their yields and reduce their costs. I think you can bundle us as an agriculture technology story, and ag tech has seen a lot of funding over the last 3 or 4 years, especially out of San Francisco and the Bay Area and private venture capital. And I think agriculture, as we're starting to find, is one of the last industries on earth to really go through this digitization. Right. And it's very exciting to see that farmers can now make these automated decisions that in the past they had to walk thousands of acres and spend hours and hours a day in the field. So we're really focused on taking all of this data and technology that's coming into the ecosystem of agriculture and helping growers at the end of the day make more money on their farms.
And you've just made a significant acquisition, Veritas Farm Management. Tell us about that and how it helps the growth profile of the company.
Yeah, so we're really excited about this acquisition that actually just closed 2 weeks ago. Deveron, when we first started the company, was predominantly focused on building this drone data network across North America. And we've launched that in Western Canada, in the United States, in Ontario, and it's having great growth. And I think what we were lacking was the next step of helping farmers actually understand what to do with that information next. And Veritas was a customer of ours that we've been working with and working on mutual customers together. And we were finding that they were actually maybe making 2, 3, 4 times an acre what we were just on flying drones over farms. So there's a lot of synergies there, and basically saying, look, we have this information, you provide this insight, how can we get the companies working together and providing more value to farmers? So the next kind of 6 months is just taking this amazing little data company that's been focused in southwestern Ontario and scaling them into Western Canada and into the US, where we also have customers, and bundling a little bit more of our drone data with analytics so that now we'll be able to increase our revenue per acre. And I think because they're predominantly a software-focused business, there's some nice gross margins in there that we look forward to bringing onto the company as we grow and increase our paid acres under management.
So what's on the agenda for the next 6, 9, 12 months? What do shareholders have to look forward to?
Yeah, so I think that's a great question. I think there's sort of 3 key things. The first one is growing our paid acres under management. Right now, the company has a run rate on about 300,000 paid acres in Ontario, Western Canada, and the United States. As I say, the software company Veritas that we've acquired, they're focused in southwestern Ontario. So to now start bringing their folks and customer success stories to people in Western Canada and the US, with the ultimate goal of first getting to 1 million paid acres under management. I think if we can get there, people will start to believe that this story can truly scale and we can be a differentiator in the ag tech space. Second, I think we'll be bringing on a couple new products. So as I said earlier, bundling drone data plus analytics, I think will give our customers a little bit more variability in the products that they can buy. And then third and foremost, I think, is just, again, getting this story back out to the US. So we've been dipping our toes in there. We've had our network operating in Illinois, Indiana, North Dakota, and Iowa, so a good part of the Midwest. There's 127 million acres under management there, and we're seeing a very aggressive, risk-averse farmer that's willing to try technology. So we'll be focused on sort of the US expansion, growing the software acres under management, and then building a bundled product that I think at the end of the day provides our customers with an opportunity to make more money by increasing their yields or reducing their costs, and then ultimately that will flow through to shareholders accretive wealth.
Great. We've got a few potential milestones coming up, so good luck with that. And thank you, David.
Thank you so much for having me. Appreciate it.
Great.